How to turn off camera shake in solo leveling Arise. Hi everybody, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Are you playing solo leveling Arise and getting annoyed by the camera shake during intense battles? Don't worry at all. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the camera shake so that you can enjoy smooth gameplay without distractions. First things first, launch open your solo leveling Arise game on your device, and once you're inside the game, go to the top right corner and tap on your menu button. Now from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap the gear button at the bottom right corner. Soon after you open up the options tab by tapping the gear button, go to the controls button on the left hand side. From the controls tab, scroll down and look for camera shake option. Go ahead and tap on none in order to turn off camera shake completely. If you want to keep the camera shake to a low level, then you can choose low. But if you don't want it at all, you can tap on none, and once you do that, you'll be able to turn off the camera shake that can happen during intense battles. So that's how you easily do it. Now you can enter a battle or a dungeon and notice the smoother camera movements without the shaking effect. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.